GU let's look at GU on daily time frame. On Friday and Saturday, I sent a perspective on GU and I said on market open short GU. That was last week. And on Saturday, I also say buy on break of structure. And that was exact analysis. Very simple. Very, very simple. So that was a supply roof that gave me the impetus for that sell. But that sell didn't live long because of an immediate break of structure. So that immediate break of structure was what reversed price as fast as possible from this level. I've seen it on a daily time frame. So it was as simple as ABCD that even a nursery school baby can draw that and win that trade. The 10-year bond yield of UK, it's higher than US 10-year bond yield. The appreciation is higher. So most likely we'll see a lot of carry trades tilting towards a UK 10-year bond yield. So that was the technical I caught for a buy on Saturday. And that was a complete analysis based on the structure. That area became a demand floor after break of structure on a daily time frame. So I shared that perspective, and that was a complete buy. Holding on to that buy. Yes, I'm holding on to it. And the next thing we want to see is another midsection break of structure. And you can see that midsection break of structure. Very beautiful structure. Very beautiful. So my take on this is if price breaks out, then we will most likely come for a potential retest. Yes. So this is what I see, and look critically, you'll see you have a structure at this area on daily time frame. There's a structure at this area, another structure, and another one. Here's a demand floor. Yes, I think this is all I have for now. So most likely that the roof will be tested again, and the break away from that structure will give us a buy confirmation. So we have here a sell roof. So I'm expecting that it deep into the structure will form an M structure and come back. However, a sustained move could continue up rally. And let's go back to weekly time frame. A monthly time frame, we can see the market is still very much on that bearish attack, but presents a buy opportunity on break of structure. So technically, GU might want to reclaim its monthly mandate. So if that structure is anything to go by, after we broke out from that structure on a monthly time frame, where we had here as a demand floor, another demand floor with a projected rally, and we had a break of structure followed by a retest. So technically, on monthly time frame, here becomes my monthly rejection search, where I see a potential push in price in British pounds. A push into that structure, my likely return here, which is a roof. And at this level, I'm expecting a resistance due to its monthly price action, capping there as a supply roof. So market could react there. So if GE push into this zone, most likely will react. So that's what we'll have for GE. And on a second thought, let's also align our ascending trend line, which will also be a buy continuation litmus test, where we expect price to continue to keep the trend active. And we'll monitor it for a time when it will break away from that structure. So if price falls out from there, there's also a probability that price could return into the structure for a potential buy opportunity.